Taxiing out.
I will admit that yesterday would have been nicer weather. Pity that we had chiropractor. I didn't. My convergence was still dead.
All right, Frank, I'll go first because this thing takes a little longer.
Timer cleared.
Okay, taking off.
Clear.
Gear up.
That thing likes to announce its presence, doesn't it? I'm coming out.
What the fuck? I'll be behind you, Frank. I see you. I made a couple turns to get behind you. Yeah, we're gonna have to stay clear of him because
Time
he always
remaining 2 minutes.
flies off in this left corner.
No pass. Left to right.
Right to left.
Right to left. My other leg. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds good, Manuel. That sounds good.
I didn't touch this one at all. I didn't touch this one at all.
Hey, watch it. Someday you're gonna have to trust the wheels on that thing. Okay.
Low pass from the right.
Alright, low pass right to left. Not nearly as fast.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Sneak pass, really?
Well, the nice thing is it should be a harder target to hit, too.
Okay. Doing the same thing in mine. Low pass from the right.
Don't worry, I've noticed my depth perception ebbing away as I get older, too. So. Oh.
Time remaining 36 seconds.
Gotta land.
30 seconds.
These are kind of important. Did it require an operation? Landing!
I'm right behind you.
10, 9, 8, 7. Gear down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Wow.
Okay, landing from the right. Nice, Frank. Roll all the way. Roll all the way to the end.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Or if you can turn quick, turn it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm off the runway.
Landing from the right.
Alright, the other guy coming? Alright. Yeah, he's coming. Yeah. Well, I'm saying I have to transition soon. I'm at 5 minutes, which is near the limit.
Figured out how to use the brakes on this now.
Flaps up.
Flaps?
The brakes. I have air brakes.
Oh!
Taxiing back, then you're clear.
Alright, flaps.
Yeah, totally flaps. Have to have flaps, otherwise it lands like a freaking lead sled. See the brakes?
Release. Braking.
And then I can actually flare now too.
I noticed that.
When I hit the brakes, then it allows me to go like this, and that was a little harder than I wanted to.
Yeah, because I've never seen you activate the brakes before.
I never do.
Are they on a separate switch or do they come out flat?
They're a separate switch.